Okay, so we want to test so you see how it goes round. Not this at my kid shop. That's true. Okay, so before you start, you need certain items. Monique, what do you
Yeah,
need?
these are the items you need.
Mm-hmm.
You need a roller stick,
How many?
10
10.
roller sticks,
Okay.
um, roller motor,
Show us what's written on the motto.
um, this,
Hold it too. Yes. Okay.
then this cable,
All right.
then the cover.
Okay.
Then you need this motor sides,
Two of them.
and the sides with the holes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You also need 26 screws.
Okay. Show us the screw one.
These are the screws.
Okay. One.
Then the gear stick, 10
Mm-hmm.
of them, and 9 gears.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are coming to start.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
In order to screw your
Screws.
screws to the
Yes. You need
automatic
screwdriver.
yes, you need
But you have a.
a drilling machine.
All right.
Yeah.
So we can buy all these from my kid shop.
Easier for you to do.
Okay.
To work with. You can get it from my kid shop.
Okay.
Yeah. You are screwing the whole sides
Okay.
to this. To this.
Okay.
But before you screw it, you have to make sure that the holes are attaching to each other.
So that's 4 screws.
Yeah, 4
Okay.
screws. So we are going to use 4 screws for this side.
Okay.
With your drilling machine,
Okay.
you screw.
Okay, so 4 screws.
4 screws. So we'll do the same thing for
Okay.
the other side.
All right.
To make your work easy, you can fix the other motor side to this before putting your sticks inside, your roller sticks.
Okay.
So to screw your so you're going to screw this again.
Okay. Go ahead.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we are going to fix our roller sticks and attach our roller stick.
Show us the
our gear stick.
gear.
This is our gear stick.
Okay.
And this is the
Okay.
roller stick. Sorry.
Okay.
So when we do like this, our work becomes easy.
Okay. Hey, Monique,
You
you are
don't
good.
have to suffer at all. Then we put our gear here.
Okay.
Here. This is what helps the
the turning mechanism.
Yeah.
Show me the stick, the gear stick again.
Yeah. This is it.
Okay.
This is how it looks like.
Okay. Show me the gear.
This is the gear.
The difference. Okay.
So this one has a stick. This one doesn't.
Okay. All right. You are doing well.
Yeah. Then finally,
Okay.
so after you are done fixing your roller stick, your roller gear,
the roller system,
and the gear stick,
okay,
you use the cover.
hold on.
So when attaching the cover, make sure that this part comes to the top.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
So when you place your
Eggs.
on it,
Okay.
this part is at the top. It's not like this.
Okay, not like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
like this. Like this.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
I'm going to attach my screws
Okay.
to lock this.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's big. Yeah, and I'm saying that ours is also big. It didn't uses the 9 mm hose. It doesn't use the 6 mm. It uses the 9 mm. Yeah. We are running a promo, so I'll just give you the promo price. That's a 55. So you can add some to it. Sorry. 70. Yeah. You can come and have a look at it. Then you know what I'm talking about.
So now we're done with
Like
screwing
real
our
picture,
automatic
Okay,
egg
let me see.
roller.
Let me
Okay.
see if I can
Now,
get a real picture.
finally, what makes what helps in turning our roller sticks is this motor.
Motor. Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to attach this motor to the top here.
Okay.
So before
Show us the motor, the shaft of the motor.
this is it. You have to make sure that it enters the this hole.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Okay.
When you see our gear
Which
stick,
one?
it has a hole here. That's where the
Okay.
yes it enters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to really look at how you have to gauge.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Then you screw your screws. This one you don't need much screws. You only use two.
Okay.
Then you are good to go. So
All
we are done.
right.
Then you just connect your
Okay. Your wire.
your wire.
Okay.
You connect it where?
Yeah. Press and pushing.
Yes.
No, the other way.
This way.
Yeah. No. Black to black. Black to black.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
So you connect, you press. You press and
Okay. And just
yes.
pushing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it locks.
And
Okay.
it locks.
And then this goes to your 220-volt supply.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But you saw how this one was turning. 1.8 RPM. Okay. Revolutions per minute. But we have a second motor. That one doesn't need timer switch. You can show us that one. The other motor. Okay. This is the one we are using. Show me the other one. The other. Yes. This one. The RPM is 1.8 RPM, 1.5, 1.8. Okay, and then this one, which most people prefer, this one doesn't require timer switch. It takes 4 hours for one revolution. Okay, 4 hours. But if you look, we have differences between the shaft size. Okay. Okay, so this is the one that doesn't require a timer switch, and then this one kind of requires some timing system. So I want to check and see if we can use this motor on this system instead of this motor. All right, so we are going to do it and try it.